Hey guys, in this video we're going to learn how to change the type of site we built. Initially, when we started the build process using StarChat and the Wix AI editor, the AI editor asked you what type of site you wanted to build, or if it didn't ask that question, it determined what site type you wanted based on the content you provided, focusing on certain keywords. So if you're not happy with the type of site it builds, you have the option to go in and change the site type. And to do that, you'll be in your Wix dashboard, which you see here. Click on Setup, as you see over here. And then right here it says Update your site type. Now right now it has it scratched out because it already has a site type built. You can go over here to Update Site Type. Click here. And as you can see, our site type is personal trainer. Its site is named BrightPath Coaching, and it's personal training type of website. If I'm not happy about that, I can go over here and click on Edit and change it to whatever type I want. Maybe it's personal trainer blog, personal Pilates trainer. The options it provides in the Edit, once you click here, are generated based on the keywords personal or trainer. So as you can see, there's different trainer types of sites that it's giving us the option to change to. If you completely wanted to change this site to something different, say a tech site, you can see it totally changes the options to now more tech specific, tech blog, tech startup. So again, it gives you options based on the keywords you have up in this box. We'll go back to personal trainer. As you can see, it populated personal or trainer type sites for you to select from. That is how you change your site type. You click Save, and your change is made. In this case, we're not making a change, but that's how you update your site type. Thank you for watching.